Hello and welcome everyone, and this is gonna show here on this video on how you actually start to go for something that should be really turning on or off, turning on or off the instability indicators. So all you need to do is about follow this video. You can actually start to go to do the instability indicators together as you can understand about to go on the settings on the right top corner. Now you're gonna start to click on settings on the middle and then start to scroll down here. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have the instability indicators, which is gonna be really over this place, which is on or off. This is gonna be about to give you here, guys, some kind of this kind of thing. That should be really about that one, as you can see, in on or on. And that's gonna really help a lot to start to decide whether you want to start to do that one or not decide. So that's all about. I'm gonna start to turn it off. I want. So that's all about to help you in this video. And thank you.